Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to upload the new icons and how to use them in the page builder. As you can see here, for example, I want to add a new sports icons. If I look for a sports icon, there is none. All I have to do now is to access the Kameleon Icon Manager tool in the WordPress dashboard. You can use the Icon Moon website to create your icons and download the zip file. This you can upload in the Kameleon Icon Manager. As you can see here, I have selected all the sports icons I need. I have already generated the SVG zip file containing all my icons. Let's start by giving a name to our icon sets. Now I will choose the zip file and hit OK. Once uploaded, you can see your icons. You can remove the icon set or add new icons to your set, or you can remove specific icons. Now I will access the page builder. As you have noticed here, my icon set is added to the page builder and ready to be used. You can also filter icons by icon set's name. You can create and upload unlimited icons without worrying about the loading speed, because Kameleon only uploads the icons that you use in your page.